Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to pause all notifications for specific period of time on Threads. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Threads app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the two lines from the top right corner. Now go to Notifications. At the top you will see Pause All. Simply tap the slider to enable this. Now choose whether you want to pause for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. That's it. From now on, you won't get push notifications for that designated period of time. But you will be able to see new notifications when you open Threads. So in this way, you can pause all notifications for specific period of time on Threads. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.